how you made it.
I don't know how you made it.
In this video, we're gonna give you an overview of our bikepacking trip through ANNAPURNA CIRCUIT in Nepal.
We climbed with our mountain bikes the highest pass on Earth, up to 5,400 meters through snow and ice.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Jakob.
Let's go.
Begin.
The ANNAPURNA CIRCUIT is a high-altitude hiking trail in central Nepal, encircling the world's 10th tallest mountain.
This is Annapurna.
It starts and ends in Pokhara, however most tourists rent a jeep to a more trucker-friendly starting point. We decided to try the longer route.
This is apparently the easy part of it. Oops.
And added an extra detour, even though many Nepalis warned us not to.
You choose this way, but actually this way is much easier.
The first 40 kilometers of the road were paved, so we became cocky. We ended up carrying our bicycles through the jungle and across the river multiple times.
I have no idea what we have been thinking, choosing this route.
In the evening, we finally reached a small village.
We asked so desperately for help, for a guest house, for something to sleep.
Shanti and her father invited us into their home and offered us tasty food with homegrown vegetables. Thanks to them, we began to comprehend how truly rich Nepal is. On our first day, we thought that the quality of the road was poor because we chose a detour. Later on, we realized the road would remain like this. During a heavy rain season, some of the bridges were washed down. The substitutes were made of wood, unstable and slippery.
This bridge, I have no idea how it holds.
What? I can't hear you!
Surprisingly, the buses and motorbikes also came this way.
Look how he's sliding down the...
The water, dust and mud were getting our bikes dirty. Cleaning the chain every day was necessary.
Yeah, you swallow a lot of sand.
And the bike does as well, so you need to put oil every day in order not to have that...
We have a 100 milliliter bottle of oil for the bikes, and we used already half of it.
In Bezisahar, Jakob had a flat tire.
It turned out that we got the wrong tube, a 29er tube instead of a 27.5, but believe it or not, it fits and it works.
The local community was amazed by Jakob's skill. He had an audience of several men and children, and they all demanded a photo.
It's 6:30 and waking up to this view is the most amazing thing I've ever experienced.
It was a cold morning too. Late autumn or early spring are the best seasons to visit ANNAPURNA CIRCUIT. During the day, we wore t-shirts and excessive sun protection.
The night, I think it was -degrees.
Even our favorite tea house didn't have heating in the rooms. The owner started a fire in the dining hall and told us stories about marriage traditions in Nepal.
Example, like whiskey, good quality one.
Okay.
Okay, maybe.
And you need to give it like this is the whiskey, now we get the girl.
Yeah. Something is like when this one kata with the whiskey.
Yes.
And we have a butter.
All the tea houses follow a slightly bizarre rule. The guests do not pay for the lodging as long as they order food.
Best chupa.
The route via Upper Pisang is our favorite part of the whole circuit. The trail is flowy and easy to ride, with never-ending yak pastures and eagles flying above you. The villages along the way are full of charm and character.
I wouldn't change.
Multiple suspension bridges make the crossing even more memorable. On the 5th day of riding, we decided to take a break in Manang.
Welcome to Manang, guys. Ultra style.
The village serves as a starting point for shorter trails. In our case, a mountain bike trail nearby. We were lucky. The horse festival Yartung was postponed to the week of our arrival. Organized in Manang for centuries after the return of livestock from the high mountain pastures, the festival is an opportunity for the men to demonstrate the speed of the horses and their own unique outfits. After the race, a singing celebration started. We went to bed early, but first we cleaned our karma.
We are at 3,700 meters. This is, by the way, higher than our highest mountain in Austria, the Großglockner.
According to the Himalayan Rescue Association, half of all travelers experience signs of acute mountain sickness while crossing Thorung La Pass.
What are your symptoms? Your doctor is asking.
Nausea.
Dizziness?
Dizziness a little bit. I do not have any strength in me left. And irritation.
The prevention is ascending gradually and resting longer the higher you are. On the way up, we befriended a Canadian, Jimmy.
I've been sitting out there for 30 years waiting for someone to pick me up.
We bonded over our cynical humor.
Da 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 da.
Which made the climb feel easier.
Welcome to High Camp.
Yay! High camp. Why is it so high?
Woo! 4,900 meters.
It was cold when we arrived.
Time for a warm soup.
Oh, soup.
Oh, soup! Can I get you up with the soup?
Thorung Paddy High Camp is the last possibility to sleep before the pass, and every traveler staying there feels like a member of a big family. Some of the guys started their final climb before sunrise.
And we were discussing maybe to do the same. Luckily we didn't do, because if the sun is not out, you're just literally freezing. It is so cold.
Even the mountain guides were surprised by the snow amount this season. The The ascent took us 3 hours.
Faster!
While pushing the bike up on the ice, stopping to catch a breath every 10 steps. We almost regretted coming.
And keep repeating this. We're almost at the top. The last few meters.
When we finally reached the peak and met our buddies again, we felt happy and proud.
Congratulations!
Congratulations.
Okay, kids.
We did it, yeah!
We are now in Muktinath.
There's a lot of temples here. We've been walking through them, and also the place where we're staying, Bob Marley Hotel, serves a really good carbonara.
They serve European or worldwide cuisine. Anya, good morning.
Perfect day. Yeah, and tomorrow it's downhill.
The downhill part was supposed to be our reward. Lupra Pass was promised to be the best mountain bike ride in Nepal.
Anya, what are you doing?
Listening to the air in the tires. We're going through some thorny plants, and we got a lot of thorns in our tires. It was my idea.
Okay, Anya, we have to take these turns down there, I think.
We missed our path somehow and ended up on a steep ridge.
I think this is very steep, very technical, and pretty dangerous road.
The views were spectacular though. Eventually, we got to the main road.
Now we'll have the pleasure of dust and cars and wind apparently. Wow, guys, see that? Whoa! Whoa!
Our tires kept losing air and we used up our spares already, so we contacted Pokhara Mountain Bike Adventure for help. Santa, the guide, not only repaired our tubes, but offered us to join the trip. Natalia and Konstantin, two pro bikers from Ukraine, were ideal buddies for the ride. The route led us through dried up riverbeds, villages, and forest single-track trails. Hungry for more, we even did an additional climb to a mountain lake. I am proud to say we were the fastest riders on the road. On our final day, we felt like pro bikers ourselves.
I realized there's a way to drive this through the stones. You just have a lot of speed and then do not use brakes.
First, I flew into the bushes and scored a giant bruise on my leg.
No pain?
Soon after, Jakob followed. His wrist got swollen and hurtful, so we caught a local bus to the hospital.
I'm very afraid of our bikes. I'm very afraid of our luggage that's on the top of the bus. As you can see, it's very bumpy and they're speeding up.
Luckily, it turned out the wrist wasn't broken. Jakob rested for a couple of days, drank his favorite lassies, and soon was okay. So, is it worth it? Absolutely. What it lacks in oxygen.
Take your time. Keep breathing.
The Annapurna circuit repays with diverse scenery and easy logistics.
Easy?
The visitors need a permit, but everything else is amazingly straightforward. You can hire a guide or hike on your own. The main track is well marked. For a mountain lover, it's a dream come true.
Maybe you were wondering, why this moustache? It's because I'm proudly participating in Movember Challenge to raise awareness about prostate cancer. Get your screening today, or my wife's suffering has all been in vain.